Hello and welcome to another legal update by LEGALEYE. I am Debolina Pannu. The Supreme Court asks courts to defer pleas for default bail relying upon the judgment in Ritu Chhabaria as central government seeks recall of this judgment. The court also agreed to constitute a three-judge bench to hear the government's plea for recall. Supreme Court in the case of Director of Enforcement versus Manpreet Singh Talwar agreed to constitute a three-judge bench to hear central government's application seeking the recall of a top court verdict wherein it had ruled that an accused will be entitled to default bail if an incomplete chargesheet is filed by the investigating agency. The bench of Chief Justice of India, CJI, D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice J.B. Pardiwala also ordered that in the event that any other applications have been filed before any other court on the basis of the judgment of which recall is sought, they shall be deferred beyond 4th May. To recapitulate, I may refer that a bench of Justices Krishna Murari and C.T. Ravikumar had, on 26 April, ruled in the case of Ritu Chhabaria versus Union of India that default bail under the Criminal Procedure Code, CRPC, is an important right and it cannot be scuttled by filing chargesheets before the probe is complete. The Justice Murari-led bench observed that the right of default bail was not merely a statutory right but a fundamental right that originates from Article 21 of the Constitution. So the court further held that the chargesheet cannot be filed before completing investigation only to deprive the accused person of default bail. However, now after the judgment of Ritu Chhabaria case, the Solicitor General of India Tushar Mehta made an urgent mentioning before the CJI-headed bench on Monday stating that several cases are being filed based on this judgment. The government also filed an application for recall of the Ritu Chhabaria judgment contending that it is per incurium since it failed to even consider the prior binding decision of a co-equal bench in Dinesh Dalmia which lays down a contrary principle of law, which has held the field for the past 16 years. In Dinesh Dalmia case, the Supreme Court had held that the court which had taken cognizance of the offence may exercise its power to grant police custody during further investigation subject to the fulfillment of the requirements and the limitation of Section 167(2) CRPC. The CJI bench, while agreeing to hear the plea, ordered all courts to defer applications based on the judgment of Ritu Chhabaria case. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more legal updates.